Hello and welcome to Joinerysoft. This demonstration is to show you the BOM Bill of Materials module. It's been designed to complement our other modules for doors, windows and screens. The reason for this module is, as joiners, you will probably do whatever work that comes through your door: reception counters, bookcases, architraving, skirting, and it enables you to track all these jobs and items and to actually have a representation of an image and a price on the quotation. As you can see here, I've got a quote and I've got some images here of the ironmongery that is being used in this job, etc., and also here some furniture and the skirting. The ironmongery you might be wanting to put on there to give a selection to your customer and let them choose which one they would like, or it could be actually the one that you are using within your quotation. So if we now go and have a look at the BOM Bill of Materials module, if I go there, you can see along the top here we've got our standard modules: windows, sliding sash, doors, screens, etc. And here we have Bill of Materials. So if we just click on here, as you can see, I've got a selection of folders here with all different items and images in here. In this folder here I've got a selection of furniture: cabinets, benches, tables, etc. If you wanted to add and build up a different folder or add another image, you would just click on this tab here and you can add all your text, etc., what you wanted to. So this could be building up our new item that we wanted to show or represent. So if I just go load file, there's folders within here and we have lots of different items in here. So I could just come down and I can actually just add an image, and then you put in the text, etc. And the D3 line is what again would come out on a quotation for your customer. So that's how you would just bring in a new image if you wanted to build one up. Or also, when I go here, load file, I can go import, and this takes you into your computer and wherever you kept your photographs, etc., your images, and you can see I've got a folder here called BOM images, and I've got a whole selection of different items that I sometimes use. Also, like if you're going out onto site, you can take a photograph if it's something really quite weird that you've got to manufacture, and you can use that image that you've taken on your phone and import it into here to then come out on the quotation to show the customer what you're going to manufacture. So we now just come out of here. There you go, cancel. Do you want to say the changes are made? No. So here's the items and the job that I've got coming through here. So if I go BOM, if we have a look at this item here, this is my ironmongery. So for my handle that I've got coming out of my quotation, so that's okay. You can see I've got it here and it's in fittings, and just by clicking on and going to fittings, it takes you to all the ironmongery that you've actually got within your software, and you say how many you want and it will total it all up for you. So that's the ironmongery. If I was going to look at this item, a handle, so that's exactly the same. So you go into your fittings and you can import those. That's good. And then if we come here, and I've got my bookcase. So now for doing actually an item and designing it, you'd put your measurements up in here: width, height, depth, etc., the quantity. And by clicking on the timber tab, it takes me to all the timber that I have within my software, Joinerysoft. And then here you can add components, and if I wanted to I could add another timber, etc., just by clicking on there. So I've got my quantity, so I've got 2 sides, 1 top, 6 shelves and a plinth. And you can just be clicking on these and using different timbers. So if I wanted to on my top, I could say I wanted that to be American black walnut. Okay, so that's okay. Do I want to say the changes I've made? Yes. Also, when you're in here, for the back of it, that would be using something from the glass and sheet folder, and that will just take you straight through to however you got that labelled. And I've got 3 different sizes I'd be using for my backing: 4, 6 or 9mm. So that's okay. Now labour It doesn't calculate how long it's going to take you to manufacture. It's not going to design anything because you've imported that image to show your customer. But on the hours, you do it, you'd say, well, if it's going to take 8 hours, you type in 8 hours and it would then grab 8 hours at your labour rate with your markup and with your margin. Okay, so that's there. And then we also have linear meterage. So if you're doing architraving, skirting or some flooring, again you'd put your dimensions. If you wanted to change your image, you can have a look at what other images that you have available. Okay, and also in here, so you've got the quotation line, the D3 line, so it's going to be classic OG skirting. But also here you've got additional costs. So if you're having to manufacture new cutters to enable you to make smooth skirting to be matching some existing one for your customer, that's what you do there. And then I've got a price there for additional costs for my cutters, £127. So that's okay. Hopefully that's been a good insight into the BOM bill of materials module, and you can see it could be a good addition for your company. If you'd like to have any further information or a demonstration on this, please give us a call on 01608 643 302 or have a look at our website www.joinerysoft.com. Thank you. Bye bye.